Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to today's music reaction with your one and only Simple Style. All right, if today is your first time tuning in, you are welcome. And if you love music reactions, you love to discover new artists, new talent, and please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you, Marami Salamat. All right, guys, on today's music reaction, I am gonna be reacting to Morissette, Fly Like a Bird. This is Mariah Carey's rendition. This is my second time reacting to her, and I am enjoying every bit of her. I love her, and she's really amazing. Then let's go straight into this and see what she gotta give us today. Danda, who is excited? I am. Let's go, guys.
There's a place up there above. Though my heart is struggling, free from all atrocities and suffering, because I feel the unconditional love of one who cares enough for me to erase all my burdens and let me be free to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord. Carry me high, don't let the world break me. My side, sometimes this life can be so cold. I pray you come and carry me home. How can we recover? Will the world ever be a place of peace and harmony, with no war and with no brutality? If we loved each other, we would find victory. But in this harsh reality, sometimes I'm so despondent that I feel the need to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord. Carry me high, don't let the world break me tonight. Believe the strength of you by my side. Sometimes this life can be so cold. So pray you'll come and carry me home.
Say what? She is so good. Like, really, I love her. Okay, first let me start with, I love her smiles. I love the way she kind of like carry people around, like her audience. I love the way she like her body movement is really awesome. Then straight into her voice, I love her breath work. She has a very good breath work control, and I like the way she transitioned from her head to chest, and it's actually beautiful. It's beautifully done, and I just love the way she sings, and her tone, her vibe, and the rest of it, and she's pretty good, very good, and I'm kind of like, why is she? I think why is she not like everywhere? You know, she is she's known, but not like a whole lot. But then I think she deserves to be heard like all over everywhere. She is pretty good. She's pretty good.
I need you.
so full of life. Like I said before, I love her smile. She's so good. Like, you know, like I said before, I completely love her breath work. And I love the way she, like the pitching. Fly like a bird. It's really amazing. I completely enjoyed that. And she's pretty awesome. She is so good. I love her confidence. She has a very great confidence. And that is one thing, you know, if you really have to be a singer and all that, you sure have to, like, your confidence level gotta really be pretty good. Yeah, no lies about that. She is pretty good. And I love her. She's technically sound and emotions and styles. Her vocals are pretty good, and you know, I am really amazed. I am awed. I love everything about her. I love the way she sings. I love the way she vibes. Like, she got a very great vibe. Did you see the way she was kind of fly like a bird, and she was kind of, you know, giving us that vibe. I totally love that. All right, guys, thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for all you did for me. I truly appreciate you guys. Please keep sharing and keep supporting me. I am so grateful for everything you guys do for me. Thank you all, guys. Maraming salamat to you all. A very big heart